Oh! Here comes a jerk in a red sports car. Thinks he's better than everyone else. Dude, like, just because you got a sports car doesn't mean you can, you know, you still got to stop at the red light like everyone else. What a moron. He must be embarrassed. Oh, there he goes. He's gone right up the embankment. Oh, damn. What's that about? Like, seriously, you're going to get ahead by what? 30 seconds at tops? If you're lucky. Whoa! This guy's wheels have literally fallen off his truck while he's driving. Damn. I don't even think he's noticed. He's lost 2 wheels. There's literally 2 wheels there. Yeah, not sure if you can see that one. There's one there, and there's this one here as well. So he's literally 2 wheels have fallen off his truck. And he hasn't even noticed. He's just kept driving. Wow. Oh, look at this guy. He is, so close. The guy in this car is obviously overtaking the bus on a double white line. Dunk, dunk, dunk. He should not be passing. Like, seriously, just a little bit of patience. Oh, I can see what happened here. He was literally in a dual lane, overtaking lane. So he was in this lane. The bus was over here. But he's just run out of room. He's run out of lane, and he thought, I'll make it. Well, no. Well, yeah, you did, but mate, like, seriously, only just. Why risk it? Come down the road. He's run out of road, dude. Don't risk it. So this guy's turning right at an intersection. He's at a give. What? Why would you put your car into reverse? Why would you reverse? And B, if you're reversing, why wouldn't you look behind you before you start reversing? What the hell's all that about? Whoa. What the hell was that about? The guy's just driving down the road, suddenly he hits a paddock. Oh. Okay. If you're going to pull out onto the road, make sure there's no cars coming first. Driving 101. This car's going to pull out, isn't he? Yeah. Like, dude, seriously. What's all that about? Go on motorbike. Whoa! Oh, let's have a look at that. I love it. That's just karma, because he literally is like, oh, look at me, everyone. I'm just going to, no one's watching, whatever. I'm just going to do a little mono. Yeah! Woo! Oh, damn! Oh, hell no. Oh, man, that went horribly wrong. Serves you right. Now he's sitting on his ass. How do you explain that to the cops or the insurance company? How did you end up on your ass? Thought I was better than I was. This car's getting impatient. He's going to try and cut through the middle of the 2 cars. Oh! Oh! Wow. He's ended up on his side. That's insane. Let's have a look at that. He has literally just come through. He's like, I'm not sitting around waiting here. So somehow he's just clipped the car on the side and right at the right angle, or wrong angle, and he's ended up on the side. Oh, that's embarrassing. What kind of serves you right? I mean, where the hell did you think you were going to fit through there? Like, seriously, how did you think you were going to fit in between these 2 cars? Where was the space for you? Like, there's no space. I don't get it. How did you think that was going to end? I bet you didn't think it was going to end like that. Damn. How do you explain that to the insurance company or the cops? A little bit of patience, mate, and would have saved you a little bit of embarrassment. Quite a lot of money. That's just dumb. Now you got to explain to the guy who you just hit what the hell you were thinking. Oh, dude, no. Jeez. Just stay on your side. He's on his phone. Obviously, this guy must be on his mobile phone. Dude, you're using your phone while you're driving. You're totally distracted. Now you're on the wrong side of the road, coming out of a corner on a double white line. What's this goose doing?